Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna tell you how to learn Yamaha Piazza on F50. Yamaha Piazza F50. So first, let's see the first on the piano. Then now we should do the trio. C D F G A C D F G A B A B G F E D E. That's how we play song. This Thank you for the video.
డాక్టర్ కాదు ఇంజనీర్